Square root of negative x squared is 1. We want to find x is what? So let me tell you one rule that you should know. Mth root of nth root of x, or a, equal to m times nth root of a. So here, when we don't write, it means there are square roots. When we don't write index, so it will be 2 times 2, fourth root of negative x squared equal to 1. So let's raise both sides to the power of 2, power of 4. First, let's do this. Then negative x squared equal to 1. And x squared equal to negative 1. So x equal to plus minus square root of negative 1. We know square root of negative 1 is I, so we can say plus minus I. So first two answers are these. So let's check square root of negative I squared, because I is negative, and also square root of negative I squared. So here, because I is root negative 1, I squared is negative 1, because I is square root of negative 1. So it will be negative 1, it will be square root of plus 1, which is 1. In this case, it's square root of negative I squared, again will be negative 1. It will be square root of plus 1 equal to 1. Also, it has another solution. You can solve it solution number 1. For example, as solution number 2, when you have fourth root of negative x squared equal to 1, you can say it is fourth root of negative 1 times fourth root of x squared equal to 1. Then you can consider, for example, square root of negative 1 is what? Because we know that square, you can write it as a square root of negative 1 times fourth root of x squared is 1. Square root of negative 1 is I, so we can say I times this is 1. Then you can divide both sides by square root of I. So fourth root of this is 1 over square root of I. And then you can work on this part and find x is what. So try to finish this solution number 2 as homework and comment your answers right below this video. And if you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks, bye.